Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the Diskin IDF here with me for a quick unboxing or unpouching and a quick review. But please don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you like my content. So what we have here is a Matt Diskin designed IDF integral frame lock, titanium made, beautifully milled. Would you look at these lines, guys? This is a pretty cool 3D milling going on over here for an integral knife. It is very cool, made in the US. It's gonna be around $400. It's very nicely designed. I like it. The blade is M390 steel, very thick stock for a size, for a knife of this size. In fact, this guy is going to be 7.5 inches overall with a 3.5 inch long blade, but with a 3.2 cutting edge. What is it, like 4 inches long handle. Nicely done, guys, absolutely. I mean, come on. This is a pretty cool looking knife, very cool milling, and it's an integral. So maintenance is going to be pretty straightforward. Please check out my maintenance video on this guy if you're interested in seeing how it's done. So you've got a nice fuller going on, you have a swedge, you have a nice satin, flat grind, 50% belly, straight edge up to the sharpening choil. You've got some nice jimping in the flipper tab, and overall pretty clean lines, nicely milled, I have to say. Stainless steel insert, that's the sound you're gonna get from this little guy. So very nice and strong, and there's some authority going on in that house. Really cool. There's also like a detent ball ramp. I mean, it checks all the boxes. It's very cool. It's very solid. In the hand, feels very good. There's no hot spots going on. I'm digging this guy. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.